Question number 1. Visual Basic is a tool that allows you to develop application in options: real time, graphical user interface, character user interface, none of the above. Correct answer is graphical user interface. Question number 2. Dash is used for finding out about objects, properties and methods. Options: form layout window, code editor window, object browser, none of the above. Correct answer: object browser. Question number 3. In Visual Basic, a variable name cannot be more than dash character. Options: 255, 300, 355, 400. Correct answer is 255. Question number 4. Dash function is used to return a copy of a string without leading spaces. Options: rtrim, ltrim, trim, all of the above. Correct answer: ltrim. Question number 5. Dash is a method which moves the focus to the specified control or form. Options: set focus, lost focus, got focus, none of these. Correct answer is set focus. Question number 6. The function procedures are dash by default. Options: public, private, protected, none of the above. Correct answer: public. Question number 7. In Visual Basic, dash is the extension to represent project file. Options: .frm, .vbp, .cls, .vb. Correct answer: .vbp. Question number 8. The default property for a text box control is dash. Options: text, enable, multi-line, password char. Correct answer: text. Question number 9. Dash is a collection of files. Options: class, group, project, all of the above. Correct answer: project. Question number 10. Dash array size can be changed at runtime. Options: fixed, preserve, dynamic array, multi-dimensional. Correct answer is dynamic array. Question number 11. Dash is the process of finding and removing errors. Options: checking, compiling, debugging, quick watch. Correct answer is debugging. Question number 12. A dash variable is one that is declared inside a procedure. Options: global, local, external, none of the above. Correct answer: local. Question number 13. Dash control executes the timer events at specified intervals of time. Options: clock, frame, timer, digital. Correct answer: timer. Question number 14. MDI stands for options: multiple document interface, multiple design interface, manipulated document interface, menu design interface. Correct answer: multiple document interface. Question number 15. Dash cannot be declared in a form or class module. Options: static constants, private constants, public constant, none of these. Correct answer is public constant. Question number 16. Dash do not return a value. Options: sub procedure, function procedure, property procedure, all of these. Correct answer, sub procedure. Question number 17. The default data type for VB is dash. Correct answer. Question number 17. The default data type for VB is dash. Options: integer, decimal, variant, string. Correct answer, variant. Question number 18. Dash is a built-in function to return lower bound of an array. Options: L bound, LR bound, low bound, none of these. Correct answer, L bound. Question number 19. Extension of ActiveX designers dash. Options: .dsr, .axd, .adx, none of these. Correct answer, .dsr. Question number 20. Dash indicates whether a particular condition is on or off. Options: text box, checkbox, list box, combo box. Correct answer, checkbox. Question number 21. Dash statement enables us to trap runtime error. Options: error, on runtime error, all of these. Correct answer, on error. Question number 22. Frame control acts as a dash. Options: event, method, class, container. Correct answer, container. Question number 23. Dash method removes a dialog box from view. Options: enabled, disable, hide, display. Correct answer, hide. Is a tool used for both the input and output purpose. Options: label, text box, combo box, command button. Correct answer, text box. Question number 25. In Visual Basic, the declaration of variables is done by dash keyword. Options: int, dim, static, declare. Correct answer, dim. Question number 26. An object data type can store dash bytes. Options: 1 byte, 2 byte, 4 byte, 8 byte. Correct answer, 4 byte. Question number 27. The dash function returns a string stored in a variant data type. Correct answer is chr dot. Question number 28. The dash property is used in VB for maximum form at runtime. Correct answer is window status. Question number 29. Dash control is used to represent the items in a hierarchical manner. Options: tree view, grid view, progress bar, none of these. Correct answer, tree view. Question number 30. Which is not a property of the common control class? Options: show, font, back color, forecolor. Correct answer, show.